Okay, here's a novice's attempt at a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square on the uke. Here we go. Excuse the bum notes and the terrible singing. That certain night, that night we met, there was magic abroad in the air. There were angels dining at the Ritz, and a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. I may be right, I may be wrong, but I'm perfectly willing to swear that when you turned and smiled at me, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. The moon that lingered over London town, poor puzzled moon, he wore a frown. How could he know that we were so in love? The whole damn world seemed upside down. The streets of town were paved with stars. It was such a romantic affair. And as we kissed and said goodnight, a nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. When dawn came stealing up all gold and blue to interrupt our rendezvous, I still remember how you smiled and said, was that a dream, or was it true? My homeward step was just as light as the tap dancing feet of a stair, and like an echo far away, a nightingale sang in Berkeley. A nightingale sang in Berkeley Square. Whew.